This comes from CLOCKY. And it's an alarm clock on wheels for people that are heavy sleepers. And this is the lavender color. Take this off. And what you'll do is you'll just unscrew this right here to put the batteries in. Put this over there so you're easily able to pull them out. And this side goes this way. And that way when you have to replace them, all you do is pull on this ribbon and they just pop right out. Then what you'll do is you'll just put this right back in like this. Screw this back in. And now that it's tightened, you can see that it's on now. And then this button right here, it will turn the wheels on and off. You can see it's on, and if you click it again, that goes away, it's off. And then this button right here turns your alarm on and off. So if you click it, you'll see it turns the alarm on. If you click it again, you'll see it goes away. On this side right here, these are your hour, minute, alarm time, and current time buttons. To set the time, you'll hit this T button until the time flashes. And then you'll hit the hour button to set the time. It's currently 10 here. And then to set the alarm, what you'll do is you'll hit the A. And once you hit the A, you'll tell it what time you want it. So I can show you how it works. We're just gonna say 10. And you'll see PM's right there, but I want AM. And then hit the alarm button again. So it's currently 10:04 here. At 10:10, it's gonna go off. So I'm gonna turn the alarm on, and I'm gonna turn the wheels on. And we're gonna watch it when it hits 10:10.